Hey, to the local fucking Maryborough, Victoria police, whoever's answering the phone, you're nothing but a fuckwit. And when I said, how about I bang your wife? Well, you think fucking banging away after 8 o'clock's fucking alright, you piece of fucking shit? Who's your fucking sergeant? Who's your fucking daddy? I'll bend you over, you fucking piece of shit. Fucking tell me it's okay to fucking make a noise after 8 p.m. after my fucking son dictated to you that law fucking states it's not. And you want to fucking say, oh, well, they might have contractors there. Who fucking works Sunday night? Who starts 5 o'clock fucking in the afternoon? Start in the fucking morning. And then we'll talk about shit. Fucking start fucking later at night and fucking bang away. I'll fucking bang your wife, you fucking piece of shit copper cunt.